Let me tell you how I died a stupid death. I didn't pack a go bag.
Blankets. Medications, check. Radio.
Why are you doing your go bag now? You have plenty of time later. Come on, man, play with me.
Idiot. Charger. Bullshit. Papers.
This is a fire evacuation order. Please evacuate now.
Unless you're Mary Poppins, you can't fit all that in a bag.
Come on, Jaydon, let's go!
Oops. Oh, controller.
Jaydon, no!
It wasn't worth it. Pack a go bag. Today. Please visit yubafiresafe.org to get your full go bag checklist today. Hey.